In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a color in an object using Photopea, a versatile, web-based image editing tool that's incredibly handy for both quick edits and more complex graphic design projects. Photopea is a great platform because it gives you Photoshop-like capabilities straight from your web browser. So whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, it's an invaluable tool to have at your disposal. To start, open your web browser and head over to Photopea's website. It's quite efficient because you don't need to download anything. Just type Photopea into your search bar and click on the link to their official site. Once you're there, if you have an existing project, you can open it from your computer, or you can start a new one by creating a new document. The interface will instantly remind you of Adobe Photoshop, so if you're already familiar with it, you'll feel right at home. Next, we're going to select the object you want to fill with color. The great thing about Photopea is its intuitive selection tools. You might opt for something simple like the rectangular marquee if you're working with cleaner and simpler shapes, or if the object is more complex, you can use the quick selection tool or the magic wand. These tools allow you to highlight the part of your image you want to recolor. Make sure your selection is precise. This helps ensure your final result looks clean and professional. Once you've selected your desired object, look towards the top menu and locate the layer option. Hover over it until you find New Fill, and then select Color Fill. This is where the fun begins, as you get to decide exactly what color you want to apply. Photopea offers a palette that's virtually limitless, allowing you to choose from millions of colors. Don't hesitate to experiment a little. Perhaps try a few variations until you find the perfect hue that suits your project. One useful tip to enhance your workflow is to regularly check the preview as you modify the color. This helps you see how the color interacts with other elements in your artwork. If at any point you feel unsatisfied with the selection or the chosen shade, the undo function is your best friend. Just use Ctrl+Z or Command+Z on a Mac to step back through your edits. After you're satisfied with the color fill, take a moment to review the entire image to ensure everything looks just right. If it does, congratulations, you're done. You can now save your project by going to File and then selecting Export As to choose the format that works best for you, be it PNG, JPG, or even a Photoshop file. Saving in the right format will preserve your work for future edits or printing. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to fill an object with color in Photopea. With practice, this process will become second nature, vastly improving both your speed and precision with photo editing tasks. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.